Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup without a grinder. First, select ripe, flavorful tomatoes, about 2 pounds for a good batch. Roma or San Marzano varieties work wonderfully. Wash them thoroughly and then core each one. You'll want to roughly chop them into 1-inch pieces. This initial preparation is key to ensuring they cook down evenly and become soft enough for mashing later on. Next, in a large pot, sauté 1 medium-sized chopped onion and 3 cloves of minced garlic in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they are soft and translucent. Then, add your chopped tomatoes and 2 cups of vegetable broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, cover, and cook for at least 20 minutes, or until the tomatoes are very tender and easily break apart. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth texture without a grinder. Once your tomatoes are thoroughly cooked and soft, it's time to mash them. You can use a simple potato masher directly in the pot to crush the tomatoes until they reach your desired consistency. For an even smoother soup, carefully pass the mashed mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a chinois strainer. This will effectively remove any remaining skins and seeds, giving you a wonderfully silky texture without needing any special equipment. Finally, return your smooth tomato soup to the pot. Season it generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a handful of fresh basil leaves. If you prefer a richer, creamier soup, stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream or a dairy-free alternative. Heat gently until warmed through, then ladle into bowls. Serve your homemade tomato soup with a side of crusty bread or a grilled cheese sandwich for a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.